So today I'm going to be playing with this Play-Doh kit that I have. You can make lots of stuff with it. And then there's Play-Doh inside, and I'm also going to be doing it with slime. So let's get started. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, please subscribe, hit the bell, notifications. You have 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Comment down below if you did. Here's some clay. Let's put that in here. Let's put these. So the molds that we're going to be doing. Some more Play-Doh. So let's get started. We're going to be doing this mold first. Okay, so let's do pink. Ow, that hurt my fingers. Okay, here we go. Let's do this one. So it's going to look gorgeous, guys. Wow, guys. Whee. Okay, let's do some more molds. Let's do this. Will I fit that in? Let's fill the star in. Got those two filled in. Let's take it out. So that one turned up. So this one turned up. Let's try this one with my beautiful pink holographics. Well, it has. Oh, wait. I think I got it. Oh, the light did it. If you haven't watched this, it says a light. And if you want to see what it does, you have to go look at my other videos. Nice slime texture. Let's put this back in there. Clear that out so my slime doesn't get dirty. From the Play-Doh. Fill that in. Let's see how the slime turns. Ooh, that's so pretty, guys. Whoa, let's do it with a better view that you guys can actually see. Okay. Put it in the mold. Let it sit for 1 minute. Okay, okay, let's take it out. Wow, it's the prettiest thing I ever seen. Okay, let's do a different one this time from a different mold. This one. I'm going to be making a candy out of my slime. Let's feel this in.
What? Since when did you get that? I need some help. You just launched me with a rocket. Yo, I need some help.
And also, go check out my sister's video. It's Live Back Coast, mine's Grace Back Coast. We have the same last names because we're twins. And also go check out our whole family's. It's called the C family, not like SEA, like the CC, but just put like this C, like from the alphabet. Let's make more molds. This slime is so gorgeous. It's more gorgeous than the clays. Comment down below. Oh, let's make this, and then let's make a gingerbread too. Comment down below what videos would you guys want me to make, but not like hard videos that I can't do. So like what I mean is like nothing that can deal with stories kind of like that, because you know the coronavirus, or something that involves water from outside, and not really like that. And I actually subscribe to the C family on my sister's channel. Okay, let's see how this mold went. That's gorgeous. I can't wait to show my sister's body squished them back. Oh my god, those things are the prettiest things I've ever seen. Okay, let's squish their plate. Okay, let's do a different mold this time. Let's do a cute one. Let's see. Let's make a candy. Let's make a candy. Sorry if you guys can hear my brothers like fighting. I'm sorry if you can hear them. Just saying. If you can hear my brothers, I'm sorry that you're hearing them. But if you don't, I'm glad you're not. Okay. Okay, let's make another mold. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's do another one. This time, let's make a lot of them. Maybe we can fill in the hole if I have lots of slime. I think I do because some of them are tiny. So I'm going to fill them up. And guys, also happy Easter. I'm guessing tomorrow's Easter. Yeah, tomorrow's Easter, I think. And guess what? Today we're going to do something really fun. So in the dark, when it's nighttime, we're going to shut all the lights off. And we're going to be doing Easter hunts. And guess what? We're going to have flashlights. I'm going to record it. And it's going to be so fun because I'm going to be having flashlights. I'm going to be having flashlights. I'm going to have a flashlight. And there's going to be 4 eggs with $5 in it. And if I find 2, then I have to put 1 back. I have to rehide it, or I could just give my brothers or sister a clue. And it's going to be really fun. We're going to do it this night, not tomorrow, because I have no idea why. And I can't wait to do it. Some are going to be with jelly beans, some Reese's, some Kit Kats, and some Kisses. I think the candies are going to be inside. Guys, I think I have enough slime to fill in this whole thing, because look, I have lots more in this. Yeah. This is really fun, guys. I wish you guys can have a kit. There's much more kits. There's a mermaid one. You can make mermaids. You can make an ice cream one. And there's unicorn ones. I think there's more, but that's all I got to solve. We were going to get the ice cream, but I chose this one. But I think the ice cream would have been more funner. I just had to choose this one because it looks so cute because of the candies.
What were your gadgets? You move faster. What should I put that? I already have this one.
Whoa. Let's put that back in the mold. And we filled in all of it. Now let's show you all the molds. First, let me take them out. That one looks weird. Kind of. Cool. So the first one, I have no idea what this is, but I think it's a gummy. This, it's a candy. Another one, it's a different kind. The candy cane failed. The heart candy, I'm guessing. Yeah, and this is like a bread with some swirls on it, but I don't think you guys can see it. And teddy bear. So that's it for my channel. I hope you subscribe, hit the bell, turn notifications. And I hope you liked my video. Comment down below if you did. And make sure you subscribe to my whole YouTube channel. Bye, slime.